Hi there. Welcome to the mix template module. In this module, we're going to walk through my mix template. I'm going to show you how you should create yours. I went a long time without a mix template, so long that I even got a question once from a subscriber that asked me for a mix template, and I didn't even know what he was talking about. So I made a complete fool of myself then. But I've created a mix template since then, obviously, and it's one of the most helpful things that I use in order for me to make better mixes in less time. It really speeds up my workflow and has everything there and ready to go, so I can just start being creative when I'm mixing, as opposed to just looking for plugins and configuring sends and routing things. There's the minimal amount of that going on. So a mix template helps you work faster because you have certain processes in place that you follow each time. However, it should be a reactionary process because you're reacting to the song. You're not trying to fit the song into your mix template. You're trying to use your mix template in order to make the best mix out of that song. So it should not constrict your creativity in any way. So why would you want to use a mix template? Basically because you want to follow a framework. Following a framework or a system means that you know what you're doing at each point, and you kind of always have a sense of where you're going with the mix, and that helps you work faster, helps you know what you're doing, helps you know where you are in your mix, helps you know what you've left, what you haven't done yet, and it just sort of gives you a good system to follow. So having a mix template helps you save time, because you don't have to scroll through your plugin folders. You've already assigned plugins to your most common instruments, as I will show you in later videos, and so you have everything set up there. All right, so in this module, I will show you how I set up my mix template, and it's my hope that it helps you give you some ideas to put some of these time-saving techniques into practice, so that you can create your own that's customized to how you want to work. Obviously, you might be working in a lot of different genres, or you might be working on your own music. You might be producing while you're mixing. So I'm trying to make a mix, trying to give you ideas for mix templates so that you can adapt my ideas to yours to help you work faster and more efficiently. So it's my hope that you can translate this mix template process into a huge win for your workflow. So read about my general mix template process below, and then watch each video in this module as I walk through my mix template. As you can see on the screen, there's a lot going on here, so I'm gonna break this down into bite-sized pieces so you can take each little part at a time, so you don't have to watch an hour-long video every time you want to add a little bit of knowledge to your mixing workflow. All right, that's it for now. See you in the next video.